Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope everyone is good, everyone is happy, healthy, and doing their work on time. All right, beta, let us start today's lesson. Today, the date is 22nd September. The year is 2020, 22, 9, 20, and the day today is Tuesday. Circle time first. Do you live in a city or a village? You will answer, I live in a city because Islamabad is a city. It's not a village, it's a city. So I live in a city. Let's revise the spellings of 14 and 15. 14, Fourteen. Fourteen. 14. And 15, Fifteen. 15. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the founder of Pakistan. Dua after sneezing and its reply. Whenever we sneeze, we must say Alhamdulillah. And the person who is listening, Alhamdulillah, he must reply Yarhamukallah. Dua after sneezing is Alhamdulillah and its reply is Yarhamukallah. Yarhamukallah. Alright, beta. Moving on to our lessons. Let's discuss what are the lessons for today. English, we need to do workbook page 27. For math, we need to do book C1 page 18 and 19 and learn the spellings of 15. For science, we need to do workbook page 6, and for reading we need to do page number 18 of book 2A, and for ORT page number 14 and 15. Let's start English lesson first. Please open your workbooks, English workbooks page number 27. Please write today's date and write today's classwork and your name over here. Let's read what is written over here. Write 3 words for each of these sounds. But we have written more than 3 sounds. We have written more than 3 words. Let's read these words and then write them as well. Read with sounds and then we have to write these words below these words in a beautiful handwriting following the correct formation of each letter. So let us make the sounds first. What is the first sound, Vijay? A, T, I, P. At, sad. Ant, and. T, a, p. Tap. It, it. P, it. Pit. Another time. At, sat. At, sat. Ant, and. Beta, you also have to make these sounds and blend these sounds together to make word. Ant, and. Look at these sounds Look at them closely and then make the sound and then blend them together to read the word. T a p, tap. T a p, tap. It, it, p it, pit. One more time. Sat, ant, tap, it, pit. Good job, bete. Now what you have to do? You have to write a, then a, n, t, then again t, a, p, tap, it, it, p, it. Over here you have to write all these words. In all these words you have to write sat in all these lines, and ant in all these lines, tap in all these lines, it in all these lines, and pit in all these lines. Make sure that you follow the lines, do not go up or below the designated line, and write in a beautiful handwriting. And most important thing, don't forget to read. When you are writing, make the sounds, keep blending them together, and keep reading the words. Very important, beta. Very important. You must know how to read all these words, blending the sounds together. All right, beta. Moving on to the next lesson, maths. Book C1, page 18 and 19. Please open your book C1, page number 18 and 19. Performing dogs. Performing dogs. Please write today's date and classwork on these two pages. Today the date is 22/9/20. Performing dogs. Page number 18. The dogs are leaping through hoops. There are two dogs. They are performing in the circus and they are leaping through the hoops. You can see there are two dogs and there are two hoops. They are leaping through the hoops. Look at these two dogs. One of them has shorter ears and the other one has longer ears. This dog has longer ears and this dog has shorter ears. So what do we need to do in this page? Color the dog with shorter ears. This dog is having shorter ears, so we need to color this dog. And the other thing that we need to do, we need to circle the dog which is having longer ears. So we need to put a circle around this one because it has longer ear, like this. Circle around this one and color this dog. All right. Okay, now page number 18. Page number 18. First of all, we need to fill the number line. There are two numbers missing. What will these two numbers be? What comes before 13? 13. Afterwards comes 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What comes before 13? 12. And what comes before 12? 11. So we need to write 11 over here and 12 over here. Next thing that we need to do, we need to read seals. What are seals? Seals are these two animals are called seals. What do we need to do? First thing we need to do, we have to color each ball with a different color. We need to color this ball with some other color and this ball with the other color. Different colors we need to fill these balls with. And then what do we need to do? We need to fill in the blanks. This is a seal which is of gray color. And this is a seal which is of black color. This seal is smaller and this seal is bigger. Smaller, bigger. Gray seal is smaller than the black seal and black seal is bigger than the gray seal. Can you see better? All right. Moving on to the next page on which we already have colored. You also have to color. Let's color this ball with red and let's color this ball with blue color. Then we need to fill in the blanks. The dash ball is bigger than the blue ball. Look at these two balls. Which ball is bigger? Red is bigger or blue is bigger? Tell me. Red is bigger. So what do we need to write over here? The red ball is bigger than the blue ball. Blue ball is smaller than the red ball and the red ball is bigger than the blue ball. So we need to write red over here because it's bigger and blue ball is smaller. So what do we need to write? The red ball is bigger than the blue ball. Okay? Next, fill in the blank. The dash seal is smaller than the dash seal. Which seal is smaller? Tell me which one is smaller. Black is smaller or gray is smaller? Gray is smaller. So we need to write the gray seal is smaller than the black seal. Alright students, please fill in the blanks. Here are the words written for you. I am going to repeat one more time. The red ball is bigger than the blue ball. And the gray seal is smaller than the black seal. Fill in the blanks and don't forget to complete the number line. 11 and 12 are missing. Please write 11 and 12. And don't forget to write today's date and classwork as well on both pages. Please on both pages, beta. And now, one more time, spellings. 15. 1, 5 makes 15. 15. What are the spellings? F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Everyone please say these words. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. 15. All right, students. Science. Please open your workbook, page number 6. Write today's date and write classwork on top of the page. And then we have to read. What do we need to do? First of all, we need to read so that we know that what do we have to do on this page. Match the 5 senses. We have discussed the senses several times. You all know, Alhamdulillah, that we have 5 senses and from where, which body part helps us to use those senses? Hair. From where do we hear? From our ear. So you need to match hair to the ear and then over here with the ear, the written part ear as well. Hair, ear, ear. We see from our eye. Then eye. Smell from our nose. And then join the nose. We taste from our tongue. Here is the tongue, and then we have to match the tongue to the word tongue. We have to match, what is this? Touch. Touch. We touch from our fingers, from our skin, and usually we touch things from our hands. So we need to match this picture with the word hand over here. I have matched for you to see how do we need to match, like this, bete. Hair, ear, then ear will be going to the word ear. See, eye, eye. Then smell through our nose, and nose is written hair, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste. We taste from our tongue. We match tongue with the tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. We touch from our hand, T-O-U-C-H, touch, hand, and then the hand is over here, the word H-A-N-D, hand. Like this, beta, you need to match. You need to write classwork, date, and then do the matching. Try to read the words. Look at the picture and then read the word. Hair, ear, ear. See, eye, eye. Smell, nose, nose. Taste, tongue, tongue. Touch, touch, hand. Good job. Now you have to do the reading. You can do the reading in the class with Ma'am Sana. I have just shared the work with you in these slides in this video, and you have to do the reading on your own as well and with Ma'am Sana as well. Let's discuss today's homework. You have to learn the spellings of 15. What are the spellings of 15? F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. And you need to do science workbook page number 7. And you need to do the reading of book 2A, this page from your books. Peter looks, a fish, says Jane. It is a fish, says Peter. It is a fish, he says. All right, beta. And another homework that you need to read, ORT page number 14 and 15. You can do the reading in the class with Ma'am Sana, and you can do the reading yourself as well. And don't forget to look at the pictures, what is happening in the story. Please look at the people who are in the story, Biff, Chip, Kipper, Mom and Dad, and look at the pictures, look at the events, what are happening in the story. All right, beta, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to do your work timely. All the work needs to be done timely. Thank you, beta. Allah Hafiz.